Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be looking at the Pavilion Gaming Headset 400, model part number 4BX31AA-ABB. The new Pavilion Gaming Headset 400 has that chunky gamer look with its thick ear cups and headband. It is cool looking, sticking with its Pavilion Gaming color scheme, black with green trims and a green HP logo on the sides. The headset provides high quality stereo sound whether you are gaming, listening to music or watching a movie. You'll get that deep bass and hear those crisp highs. The ear cups and headbands are covered in a soft padded synthetic leather for that extra comfort. The headband is extendable but can only extend about 2 centimeters on each side. The body is mostly made of plastic materials and does feel quite plasticky. It does not feel premium, and what it reminds me of is when you buy those third-party controllers for your console. It has an easily foldable boom mic which can be lifted upwards when not in use, and you can quickly adjust the volume or mute the mic with the built-in controls on the cord. Using its 3.5mm TRRS audio jack, you can connect it to your laptop, desktop, mobile device, and can also be used with your PS4, Xbox One controller. The sound is pretty decent, nothing spectacular. Next I will do an audio mic sound test from the headset. This is a mic test 1, 2, 3, 4. You are listening to the sound of the mic plugged directly into my iPhone to capture this audio recording. It is quite comfortable and light for me to use, weighs just under 300 grams, so it's pretty light considering the size of it, which is nice and what you want from a headset. However, if you have a large head, the headband only has a small amount of extension, around 2 centimeters on each side. There is a good amount of length on the cord, and the green color is quite cool. The cord has an elastic rubbery feel. The built-in controller on the cord does feel very cheap and plasticky, and not sure how long that will last after repeated use. Box contents include the headset, product notices, and warranty card. It's not bad for the price. The overall feel is quite plasticky and does not feel premium, but it is quite comfortable to wear and the sound quality is pretty decent. Thank you for watching. All items will be listed in the description below. Please give it a like, subscribe for more videos. Check out the other HP Pavilion Gaming product videos on the channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Peace out.